Hi friends, in this tutorial I will show you how you can remove the reserved storage space in Windows 10. Before proceeding, I request you to please click on the subscribe button to continue watching more such tech and how-to videos. Now let's go ahead and proceed. Simultaneously press Windows and I key. In the settings menu, click on the system. In system, choose storage. In storage, click on show more categories. In show more categories, you will see an icon named system and reserved. Click on it and you can see over here that 7.4 GB of space is reserved in my Windows. Now let's go ahead and remove this. In order to remove this space, I have provided a registry so that you can easily download it. I'll provide you the download link in the description below. Simply click on this link and download the registry. It will look like this. The first registry is to disable the space and second is to enable, if in future you want to enable, so that you can enable it easily. So here we are going to disable it. So simply double click on the disable registry. Click on the run command and click on the yes button to add the registry in your registry editor. Now you need to restart your computer and check whether the storage space at your end is disabled or not. Now let's go ahead and check at my end. Again simultaneously press Windows and I key to open the settings menu. In settings menu, choose system. In system, choose storage. And in storage, click on show more categories. In show more categories, click on system and reserved. You can see over here that 7.4 GB of reserved space is removed from my computer. Some users have reported that they are unable to remove this storage space. So for that, simultaneously press Windows and X key and click on Windows PowerShell in admin mode. Type here DISM online get reserved storage state and hit the enter button. You can see over here that I have just disabled the storage state and it is showing disable. At your end, if you are unable to disable, here is another command. I'll provide this command in the description so that you can easily copy and paste over here. You need to type here disabled and hit the enter button. By doing this, your reserved storage space will surely be disabled. And if you want to enable it, for that I have another command. This command also I'll provide you in the description. Just paste this command and hit the enter button. By doing this, your storage space will again be enabled. To check, type here DISM online get storage state. Now you can see over here that now my reserved storage space is enabled again. There is a little requirement for this PowerShell command to work. You need to have your Windows update to version 2004. To check your Windows version, simultaneously press Windows and R key and type here VINVER and hit the enter button. You can see over here that my Windows version is 2004. So to work this PowerShell command work, make sure that your Windows version is 2004. That's it about it friends. If you like my tutorial, I request you to please hit the subscribe button and share my channel with your friends also. Thank you so much.